Hi everybody, it is Christine, Treasure Goddess Christine, and Ellen from the Chili Dog.
Hi.
Hello, and we're just getting done with our yarn party and wanted to say hello.
Hello. Thanks to everybody who came out to cast on with us today. When you get done knitting your shawl, here's 3 different ways you can wear your duck pond shawl. It is big enough that you can actually wrap it around you and tie it in the front, or use some sort of shawl pin to close it in the front. My favorite way to wear it is with the triangle point, the longest point in the front, and you can wrap it around and drape it. And if you're looking for something a little bit different, you can wear it like a scarf. Pull the point up towards the center. Pull again up towards the center so it's kind of folded in quarters. That goes around your neck. And then you can tie it in the front more like a scarf. And of course you have your adorable duck feet walking down the edge.
Hi everybody, I am here with my friend Sarah, the sexy knitter, and we're getting done with our yarn party, and we're sorry you couldn't come, but I wanted to show you all of the fun things that she's got, and you guys will get a link to her shop. So let's do a little check and see.
Honey, are you gonna do Charlie?
Really fancy or just it's too big of a product. I get bored, so I have to do like the scrubbing lace in there somewhere. Like that's why they added the slip stitches in this thing. Saw someone else doing it.